If you are in need of residential roof repair, you can choose from a variety of companies in the area. Allstate Roofing, Graves Brothers, and Mellow Roofing are just a few of them, but it is important to look for more than just price when selecting a roofer. Read on to find out more about the different types of services offered by each. Here are a few of the most popular companies in Rochester, New York. Todd Fritz Roofing. If you are looking for a company that offers residential roof repair in Rochester, New York, you have come to the right place. Todd Fritz Roofing specializes in roofing installation and repair services. It offers a wide variety of design options and superior materials. You can also contact Todd Fritz Roofing if you have a large project or simply want a professional to assess your roof. Read on to learn more about the benefits of using Todd Fritz Roofing for your residential roof repair needs. Allstate Roofing. Whether you're looking for a new roof or have a leaky one, Allstate Roofing is a local expert who can assess your existing roofing system and provide the best solution. They also provide gutter services, including installation and protection. Whether you need a new roof or you need a small repair job done, you'll be glad you contacted Allstate Roofing. More. Graves Brothers. Locally owned and operated, Graves Brothers Home Improvement has been providing residential roof repair services in Rochester, New York, for over 40 years. Whether you need a new roof or you need your old one repaired, we'll get it done quickly and efficiently. With many years of experience, we'll provide you with quality workmanship you can depend on. We'll even handle the cleanup. Read on to learn more about the services we provide. Mellow Roofing. If your home or building needs roof repair, consider a service from Mellow Roofing in Rochester, New York. Their team of specialists has over 30 years of experience and specializes in residential roof repair and replacement. Residential roofing services range from roof inspections to full tear-offs and re-roofing. Customers have several options when it comes to the type of roofing they need, and Mellow Roofing has an extensive selection to choose from. Harvey Strassner Contracting. If you need a roofing contractor to handle your home's roof repair needs, Harvey Strassner Contracting is the right company for you. Not only do they offer residential roof repair, but they can also install various kinds of metal roofs, including clay and synthetic ones, to help keep your house safe and sturdy. Other services that they offer include skylight installations, gutter repairs, and siding. Harvey Strassner Contracting is also a certified roofing contractor for GAF and Owens Corning, two of the top roofing companies. Exceptional Exteriors. Exceptional Exteriors has been in business for more than 30 years, and the company's founder, Daryl Sadwick, developed specialized teams for specific projects. Today, this company has several crews with specific areas of expertise and are dedicated to providing the best results for residential projects. The company offers residential solutions for both new and existing homes, including roof repair, siding, windows, and more. Here's what you need to know about their residential roof repair Rochester, New York services. Melnick Sons. For homeowners in Rochester, New York, a new or repaired roof can be the perfect way to boost the appearance of your home. Whether your roof is made of asphalt shingles or metal, Melnick Sons can make your house look like new again. Among the many benefits of working with this company is the fact that they offer affordable financing. You can receive up to $35,000 in financing to pay for your new roof. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.